Konnichiwa. Hello, my name is Mayumi Wright. I'm your host for Taste Prep. Each show, I will walk you through some of my favorite recipes that I know you will enjoy. If you love food as much as I do, you will want to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Konnichiwa. Welcome to Taste Prep. Today we're making coconut chicken curry using Instant Pot. This is what you need for making coconut chicken curry. This is for serving for 4. You will need 2 pounds of chicken thighs cut into bite sizes, 1 minced onion, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil of your choice, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 2 teaspoons of salt, ½ teaspoon of chili powder or paprika powder, depending on how spicy you want it. We're using paprika today. ½ teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of cardamom, 1½ tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 cups of cooked rice, and 1 can of coconut milk. Today we're using a reduced fat coconut milk. Now my Instant Pot says hot. After I pushed the saute button, it was about 5 minutes or so. Now I'm gonna add oil. Then I'm gonna start cooking the chicken. Make sure the bottom is coated with oil evenly. Okay. You want to make sure that chicken is cooked both sides. So it will take another maybe 5 minutes or so. So we'll be back. Now it's been about 5 minutes. Looks like the chicken is cooked both ways. So I'm going to add onion, garlic, and ginger into this pot. Chopped onion, garlic, minced, and then ginger. There we go. I'm gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes or so. We'll be back. Now it's time to add all the seasoning and spice. Cardamom, pepper, salt, curry powder. We're using paprika today because we're not crazy about too spicy food. So paprika is less spicy, but if you like it spicy, you can add chili powder. and then dried basil. Stir them well. Starting to smell really good. Once you coat chicken with all the spice, I'm going to add coconut milk. Okay. 1 can of coconut milk goes in here. And scrape off everything in here. And I'm going to set this to a pressure cook. Make sure that your vent is sealing, not venting. I'm going to cancel the saute. And then push pressure cook. Set it for 5 minutes, high pressure, in normal mode. Now everything's automatic, so you don't have to do anything. Here we go. 5 minutes later, we'll be back. After pressure cook, the beeping sound went off, and I'm going to turn this knob to venting. That's called quick release. So make sure you have a towel or something to cover because the hot steam is going to come out. It's going to look like this, like that. So it's just releasing the pressure. Okay, after that, we'll be able to open this top, but it's really hot, so please be careful. And once we open the top, we're gonna make a slurry with the soup inside. So we're gonna need about 1/4 cup of coconut milk, the cooked coconut milk inside, into this cup. And then we're gonna add cornstarch so that we can make a slurry. Almost ready. Okay, so this silver button goes down, that means you can open it. The pressure is already released, so it's safe to open. And you're gonna use this thing to keep the top. And we need about 1/4 cup of slurry in here, just the liquid. Okay, that's good. Adding a cornstarch into this. We're about to make slurry. Mixing it well. The reason why you don't put cornstarch directly into the pot is so that it's the slurry, so that everything's so smooth. Looks like I may need to add just a little bit more coconut milk, so I'm going to add on to it. Make sure we have a nice smooth texture for this slurry. Okay, it's almost like a gravy. Maybe add just a little bit more. All right. Okay. I'm gonna add this slurry into the pot again. Okay. And stir. So this is the cooked basmati rice. I added coconut butter today to cook this rice, but some people like to add just the plain butter or olive oil or any oil of your choice. So I'm gonna put this coconut chicken curry onto this bowl. Smells really good. And we're gonna add cilantro as a garnish. There we go. Now that's how you make coconut chicken curry using Instant Pot. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. We always have a new episode every Monday, so please be sure to check back on us. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. さよなら。